Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make stickers on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. When the camera screen appears, you can either take a new photo or select one from your camera roll. To take a photo, tap the large capture button at the bottom of the screen. If you want to use an existing photo, open Memories or your camera roll and choose the image you want to edit. After you have your photo ready on the screen, look at the editing tools on the right side. You will see several icons such as text, drawing, and stickers. Find the scissors icon and tap on it. This is the tool used to create custom stickers. Once you tap the scissors tool, use your finger to trace around the object or person you want to turn into a sticker. Move your finger slowly and try to follow the outline of the object as closely as possible. When you finish outlining the object, lift your finger from the screen. Snapchat will automatically cut out that part of the image and turn it into a sticker. After that, you can also send the sticker to anyone in the chat. Just open a conversation, tap the sticker icon, go to your saved stickers, and select the one you created. It will be sent directly in the chat. Now you know how to create and use custom stickers on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.